What's up, guys? Today I'm doing a review of the fidget cube and the comparison between the fidget spinner and the fidget cube. My fidget spinner isn't that fast. It's not even that fast though. The fidget cube I just got today. I had the fidget spinner for a long time, but I just got the fidget cube today. I like if you look at this, you can see you can't even see it here. That part where you do this. That one's really my favorite one, my most favorite one besides this one. I changed my mind. It's the little groove right here where you put your finger in. That is actually relaxing for me, very relaxing. The fidget spinner, all you can do with it is basically just spin it, and that's it. Well, you can warp it. There's many types of cool fidget spinners, I forgot what's named, Secret Service fidget spinner. That one's kind of cool, and other fidget spinners. People say warping fidget spinners $5,000, but I just showed you how to warp your fidget spinner easily. My fidget spinner doesn't go that fast. If it went way faster, now it can only go let's say 20 seconds. That's all it is. It can only go for 20 seconds. There you go. That's it. Now let me show you my warping fidget spinner. I need to look to the window. It probably is not gonna work because there's not that much light. Well, from here it looks completely bright. Wait, let me spin it more. I can't spin it that well with one hand. I need a lot of light to do this. Come on, warp! Warp. It's not warping. Probably because there's not that much light. For me, I would think the fidget cube would win the comparison. Because it has a lot more stuff to do. Especially the 12-sided fidget cube. That one is amazing. I wish I can get that one. Just show it off in school. Just be like, hey guys, I got the 12-sided fidget cube. I'm a boss. On Amazon, it only costs $5. Just as much as this, $5.16. That is 16 more cents than this, and it's double as much as fun. Maybe even quadruple as much as fun than this. But I still like this more than fidget spinner. Fidget spinner, you can only do tricks with it and and spin it. That's basically it. I can't even balance on my nose. So fidget spinner versus fidget cube. Fidget cube has to take the win. For me, my opinion is fidget cube would win. And for the review, here you can see it has 5 buttons. Here it has the spinning thing that I was talking about. Here's the switch. Here's the switch. Here's a joystick, which kind of sucks. But the joystick for it's called the Holy Crystal, the 12-sided one. This is the groove where you put your finger in, and the ball and the gears. And if you really want to do a review on the fidget spinner, the fidget as my cousin pronounced it. I want a fidget spinner, and he's 16. It has the bearings, which I can use this to make another fidget spinner itself. If you didn't know, having some spin in these, like doing this, can actually help the spin of like this. If you got these working a lot more, but it's just my main one. It's so rusty. I'm too lazy to take them off. If I can take it off, I would show you. Can I? Okay, I took one of them off. Fall off! I might have to use my teeth. Nope, I'm not doing it. Just fall off. Okay, whatever. As you can see, this side is totally rusty. If the camera can catch up on it. This side of it is totally rusty. I did the trick with the pencil where you balance it. I kind of bounced it on my finger for like 2 seconds until it fell. But I really need, if you know anything that like fixes a fidget spinner from rust, or video, like leave the link, and like just tell me how to like fix a fidget spinner after it's been rusty in the comment section below. And peace, and I'll see you guys in the next video.